Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and did you know that using a blunt, dull kitchen knife is actually way more dangerous for you than using a really sharp one? Kind of learned that the hard way. However, now I have this incredibly sharp Kramer by ZWILLING chef knife that not only sharpens to a really sharp edge, but it retains that sharp edge for a very long time. This knife looks just as good as it performs. It has a gorgeous, smooth wood grain handle. The shape and weight of this handle makes it incredibly comfortable to hold. After use, the carbon steel does develop a little bit of a patina over time, but this just adds to its charm. And besides, this carbon steel is the whole reason why this knife can sharpen so well and is so extremely durable. Honestly, this knife, when it needs sharpening, is still sharper and more effective than all my other kitchen knives. When it is freshly sharpened, there is absolutely no meal prep task that it can't handle. It can smash and mince garlic really fine, and it makes quick work of chopping an onion. I even had some crab's legs given to me recently, and this knife made separating the crab's legs and getting the meat out no problem. This knife is one of those splurges that I do not regret making at all because it has made my kitchen prep so much easier. And that's my point of view.